You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two names correctly, the masculine and feminine, male and female. The top spelling is boy's name, Daniel. Some may pronounce it more as Daniel. Generally in English, the pronunciation is as Daniel. The bottom word, the bottom spelling is the feminine, Danielle. 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 This is a French name, Danielle. So Daniel or Danielle. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.